I'm going to spend a little bit of time showing you what it's like to be in one of the online courses with Chartreuse Center's Artful Online Courses. Now, I'm the owner of Chartreuse Center. My name is Julie Blackburn, and I'm a licensed clinical professional counselor and a registered art therapist. I've been practicing since 2009, and with that being said, I have packaged and created these courses with the most impactful information that I cover with clients and with people in groups and workshops and individual counseling sessions. The reason being is that not everybody has access to this type of content wherever they are. So this is for you. The other thing is sometimes our lives are so busy and so full that we can't get to where we need to go or take that extra time to get to those resources when they're available. And I wanted to really make this type of support more accessible. It's a shame to me when I am with someone and they're telling me, hey, I've been needing this kind of support, but I couldn't find you, or it just wasn't working out. That hurts my heart, because to me, I don't think that we need to go without. So I created these courses to help bridge that gap, to actually fit into life as it needs to be. So I'm going to show you a couple different pages here, and this is going to help you see what it's actually like so that you can see how really simple it really is. So let's go ahead and take a look, which is artful-courses.chartreusecenter.com, and this is the homepage for the online courses. When you sign up, I'm going to tell you there's going to be a little checkbox there at the bottom, and it asks you to be included in educational or instructional and promotional information. Click yes, please click yes. Reason is that if you don't click yes, then what happens is that if there's emails or things that are embedded in the course, you won't get them if you don't click that box. So please make sure to click that box. Okay, so go ahead and log in. Why don't we see what all courses looks like? Here's all the different courses that are available at this time while I'm recording this. Now we're going to go to My Courses. This particular person, which is my test, signed up for the Embrace You, which is an office program, a bundled course. So there's a whole bundle for Embrace You. All the different courses you can see here are included, and they show up under the My Courses. When you go into the Embrace You program, which is a 5-course bundle, if you've already purchased it, you will see down here at the bottom, it says, you're already enrolled in this course. Click here to view it. This is what the inside of a course looks like. How wonderful, right? It's really simple and really easy to use. And so the first thing that you're going to see is most of my programs have a welcome, and it's going to be a personal message about what the course is like or how to interact within the course. You can start the next course here or start here. On this side, where you see the 0% complete here, go to your included courses. And this again takes you to all the courses that are included in that purchase. At any time then, we can start with any topic that is top of mind for ourselves when it comes to a whole bundle, unless it's kind of released one bit at a time. Now, when it comes to this particular lesson, you would start, again, you notice there's a welcome. There's information here as to how far complete you are, the course curriculum, which is everything that you see here. And then your instructor, click on that. It'll take you to the information about myself or whoever is the instructor for that particular program. As we're back to the course curriculum, we're going to go ahead and start with the feelings are so intense. Normally, I would say start at the beginning of a course and then work your way through, because each lesson builds upon the next generally. It kind of gives you more information, and it might relate back to another point of information as you get further down. It'll refer back to another point that you might have previously learned. In this particular lesson, this is a nice example because it has some basic information as you start, a video, an activity video, the handout that goes with it, an extra activity, another worksheet that's downloadable, and then in the comments, add a statement about what is going well in your life. And then you leave a comment there. It is that simple. Now, if something asks you to add a photo of what you drew or created, super easy. You just add and click that button, and then you can choose to add a comment. It is that simple. And what's really wonderful is you can still see your progress through a particular program, and you can also see where you're at here. I give you the information in bite-sized pieces. Reason being is that it's nice and condensed to fit into your life. You watch the information in the video, you look at the activities that you have, and then you integrate the information through whatever activity that you do. This is really a great way of experiential learning. I do have to give my little disclaimer that these courses are not intended to replace mental health counseling. These are self-led courses. They are self-guided. They are self-help. This is wonderful because if you are in some type of counseling situation, they can be a great complement to the work that you're doing with your therapist. Additionally, they can be a great resource because not everybody is in a place of needing a counselor at this point in their life. Some people are. Both are perfectly okay for your life. They just give you tools that you can apply into your life right now that are going to make sense for your situation. Take a look around the school. There's a number of different courses that I offer. And again, these programs make some quality content really accessible for you to integrate into your day, into your week, into a busy life. And you can then get those self-help benefits in a way that fits for you. All right. I look forward to seeing you in the courses. Bye-bye.